everybody, it's Josh from CollectionDX. Got something really cool to show you. Okay, check this out. This is the box for the deluxe solo Chogokin Mazinger Z. It's here. So we do a box opening. Check this out. This is huge. This thing weighs a lot. I don't know why the box is sample. This is just a shipping crate. It's rather large, and lets you think that there's all kinds of other crap in here. It's really just a box in this. It's a big freaking box. Wait, no, I'm gonna get it out. Bam! It's got a thing. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's a quality check or something. Holy crap. This is what I like to call a big box. So we're going to do this video in two parts. First part is going to be the box opening. Second part will be the toy. And depending on how insane this gets, maybe there'll be a third part. I don't know. So, you can see the box. Big. It's huge. Front we have the cutaway picture. In the back we have all the workings. We have the handle on the top, the protective strips. Let's take that off. And now we figure out how to open it. I'm guessing this is a slip case. Yes. Alright. Here. Alright, this is nice so far, so good. That's beautiful. Nice, the cutaway with a red, this is all matte with like a glossy red printing on it. And the nice lettering chrome in the front. A couple of tabs here on the back. Pull these out here. How is anyone going to store the box? I don't know. Alright, it says one flap, another flap, and then we got a little sheet, or protector sheet, over there, and then you have an assortment of trays. Let's go through these trays, shall we? See what excitement awaits. And we'll start with this one. It is a largely an empty box with looks like it has the instructions, the nameplate, with nice illustrations on the front. That's kind of cool. And the rest of this is empty, so I'll just stack that here for the moment. Another box. In this box we have armor and trucks. Armor and trucks, okay. There. Next one. We have more panels. These are all the die-cast panels. Cool. This one is the figure itself. Alright, we'll look at that in just a minute. This thing must be the hanger. You need some space to work with this. Alright, trusty X-Acto blade. Always good for opening boxes in a nice, neat manner. Very sharp. Don't cut yourself. That would be bad. Ooh. Styrofoam. Styrofoam is good. We like styrofoam. And more styrofoam. Alright, so you go back in there. Back in there. You go down there. Just this is the hanger. It's massive. It really is. Probably should follow the instructions. Oh, no, it just opens up. Wow. Huh? Very cool. So that's the base. Let's crack open the figure here. What do you think? Check this bad boy out. This part, not as heavy as I would think it would be. A lot of plastic. Oh, there's metal. Alright, so the metal is in here, the back plate, the back here. Most of these inside pieces, though, are plastic. All this inner joint work. Okay. Alright. That does that. Oh, that's cool. So, not as heavy as I was expecting. So this is just going to be a high level run through because I'm going to have to actually do the whole I'm going to have to do the whole walkthrough with the instruction book before I'm able to speak about this with any authority. But I will try to put some armor plates on. Because we want it to look cool, don't we? Ah, here's where the metal comes in. Ooh. Okay, getting good. All these pieces so far, die cast metal. Now we're starting to feel the heft. Maybe I didn't clip that one in all the way. Whoops. Yeah, because it clips in on both sides. Alright, so we're not talking Chogokin levels of metal here. The arms are plastic cans anyways. Let's see. Yeah, all these armor pieces, all plastic. Not necessarily a bad thing, just worth noting. Oh, there you go. This cool toy. I have the wrong arm piece, I think. Figure that out in a minute. Let's put the rest of these pieces on first. Yes, I should read the instructions. I have not done so yet. I was excited. Oh, got the neck piece. Faceplate on. Little filter, looks nice. You'll get to see close-ups of these. This is sort of the teasy part right here, you know. This is where I tease you. You really can't see what I'm doing. There you go. Maybe that'll help. There's a little button in there or something. You should see if that's a docking mechanism or what. That's gonna. There we go. Snaps into place like so. Here. We go. There. It feels really good. It feels nice and heavy. I get the feeling that there's an order to putting these parts on properly. And I have not done that order correctly. Right? Possibly? Maybe? Ah! People are probably crying at home now. They're like, what are you doing, ham-handed moron? Short answer is, I don't know. But it sure is fun. Messing with robots. Why don't you go in? There we go. And you go there. Why can I not get these fists to go on just right? Are these the rocket punches? They might be. Fists are cool looking. Alright, and these probably go like there you go. I'm a little worried about that part. I don't think I have that one right. So, alright. So this is where we're at so far. It's very cool. I'm not going to bore you with the rest of this assembly. This is all I'm going to do tonight. I want to rush this out and get it to you so you can see that it is cool. It's big. I'm going to go through the instructions. I'm going to read all the details. And tomorrow you will have a full review. Oh, look at it. It's got a waist joint, dudes. Waist joint. Alright. Oh. I'm going to have to work on this. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow night, probably. Check it out.